Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight using the route information in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the Fly with the Turkish Airlines section, click on the Flight Status button. And click on the Route button at the top of the page. So for that you have to select the departure airport. And then you have to select the arrival airport, and then you had to set the date of the arrival, and then just click on the search flight button. And as you can see, there were no flights found for the selected date, so just try with another one then. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.